Hi everyone, my name is Thibault Roland. I'm an educator, fine art black and white photographer specializing in seascapes, landscapes, and architecture. And today I'm going to share with you 5 tips about black and white photography. Tip number 1. Taking a picture straight to black and white or converting it from color to black and white is a great way to tone down elements that would be just too distracting in color and take away from the main subject in your picture. Tip number 2, capturing certain subjects in black and white will create a feeling of timelessness because it will just look like your image could have been shot yesterday or 50 years ago. Tip number 3, look for patterns, shapes, or textures to create more interesting and more unique looking images. Tip number 4, don't think about creating images in black and white as restricting yourself. Think of it actually as freeing yourself from colors. Shooting in black and white will bring creative choice. And it's even more the case when you're actually capturing the image in color and then converting it to black and white. Because you will be the one deciding if the final image is going to be bright and serene, dark and moody, or anywhere in between those two. And that takes me to tip number 5. Shooting images in black and white will make you a better photographer overall because it will force you to be more rigorous. It will force you to look for very strong compositional elements such as leading lines, and all of your photography, including in color, will actually benefit from that. Thank you so much for listening, everyone. I really hope you enjoyed the tips. You can find me on Instagram at Thibault Roland Photo, on Facebook at Thibault Roland Fine Art Photography, or on my website at thibaultroland.com, where you can sign up for my newsletter and learn more about my upcoming events. But more importantly, have fun creating in black and white.